It's easier to wind the warp when the yarn is coming up from the floor. Here I put a dowel through the tube and strung it through the sides of a basket. You'll need an extra length of yarn at the beginning and end for tying together. About 10 inches will do. I hold the yarn with my thumb to keep it as tight as possible while I wind the warp on. And I wind the yarn as tight as possible. The beginning and end are tied together diagonally across the back side of the loom. I give an extra pull on the yarn to ensure my warp threads will be as tight as possible. The Sheila loom comes with 2 dowels. Their purpose is to make the warp even tighter than you wound it. Yep, a nice tight tension is the theme here. They lift the warp up a little bit too, and that makes weaving easier. The last step is to insert the steel shed dowel. This dowel isn't necessary, but it can make weaving a bit easier. I have a video on how to use the steel shed dowel when you are weaving. The link is in the description below. I'm Lucy Jennings and I make loom kits and teach you how to use them. Click the link below and find out how you can get this loom, the Sheila loom, and others too.